skills, be the boss. No more time to feel lost. Lead the way every day. Find success, it's here to stay. Rise and shine, it's your time. Skill up, raise the climb. Navigate, innovate. It's your fate, don't be late. Get the skills, be the boss. No more time to feel lost. Lead the way every day. Find success, it's here to stay.
If you're a new manager or hoping to be a new manager, join us in our exploration into what managers need to know. This program will set you up for success by building your knowledge and confidence in the skills you need to be effective. Hello, and welcome to What Managers Need to Know. And this is our third week at looking at the team building skills that you need to be effective. A little bit about me. I taught for the Executive Management Institute and the Small Business Development Center at the University of Wisconsin-Madison School of Business for 30 years. And I've been a workplace learning and performance improvement consultant with my own business for 38 years. So on the first week, we looked at various team elements and team characteristics of a good functioning team. Then last week, we looked at team stages: forming, norming, performing, adjourning. And this week, we're going to look at how to intervene at each of those stages. So when we are talking about a team that is forming, the theme is awareness. So we need to give time for members to get acquainted, and we need to provide essential information about the content and process, emphasizing what new skills are required, identifying, relaying key team values to the current task. So we should have some guidelines, some operating principles that will pertain to how well people work together, how they resolve issues and conflicts, how decisions are made. Share stories of past accomplishments and celebrations. Create a team vision of the outcome and set goals to achieve the outcome. So this is all preparatory to the team working well. The next stage is storming, and the theme is conflict. Very often we think about teams as being harmonious, and that's not the case at all. It's full of individuals with different perceptions and needs, and there can be a jockeying for position and for power among the team members during this storming stage. So you need to act assertively and set parameters for the team, listen attentively to all viewpoints, use mediation, negotiation, and arbitration to manage disagreements, consider new perspectives and alternatives, and suggest and solicit optional ways to view the problem. You want to help people depersonalize the issues, have them recognize that they have mutual interests, mutual goals, and work through how they're going to work together to achieve them. When we get to the norming stage, there's a lot of cooperation. So the intervention is not to move it further along, but simply keep it comfortable. We provide an opportunity for involvement by all, provide an opportunity for members to learn from and about one another. So this is where it's helpful for people to be able to talk about their skills, their past experience, what they bring to the table. Model and encourage supportive behavior, open communication lines, provide positive and corrective task-related feedback, and add some humor and fun to the work setting. Ultimately, where we would like the team to get is the performing stage, where the theme is productivity. Provide evaluative performance feedback, review task and working relationships, create a celebration activity with emphasis on recognition and fun. And then when the project is done, conduct a closure ceremony to specify the project's conclusion. So although we call it a team intervention, this team is where we want it to be, at producing and performing. The last stage is when the team adjourns, and the theme is separation. We want to reward and recognize performance outcomes and positive work relationships, involve the team in group problem solving, share decision-making opportunities, examine how implementation will affect the team and the rest of the organization, and then use delegation to foster professional development. So whether the team is forming, storming, norming, performing, or adjourning, there are steps that we can take to make that experience richer, more effective. There are teams who get stuck at the forming or storming stage. And in that case, those interventions are very important. Once they're norming and performing, we should be happy with what's going on. And we can't forget that when they're leaving the team, that they need to feel that what they've done is accomplished the goal, that they have been effective, and they feel good about that. If you would like help in building your team, schedule time to talk with me. You can use this handy-dandy QR code that will get you onto my calendar. Next week, we're going to look at how to overcome the 5 dysfunctions of a team. So you don't want to miss that. I want to thank you for sharing your time with me. Thank you so much for coming and participating in our discussion of what managers need to know. You can find the videos of this and previous sessions on my YouTube channel or under events on my LinkedIn profile. I'll look forward to seeing you again next week.
Get the skills, be the boss, no more time to feel lost. Lead the way, every day, find success, it's here to stay. Get the skills, be the boss, no more time to feel lost. Lead the way, every day, find success, it's here to stay. It's here to stay. Oh, it's here to stay. It's here to stay. Yeah. Get the skills, be the boss, no more time to feel lost.